In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install XAPK in Bluestacks 5. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get Bluestacks set up and how to install an XAPK using its built-in tools, all without any confusion. First, let's get Bluestacks 5 on your computer. Head to the official Bluestacks website so you know you're getting the legitimate installer. On the homepage, look for the Download Bluestacks 5 button and click it. When the download finishes, open the installer file. You'll see the setup window appear. Click Install Now to begin. The installer will take care of everything for you, and you just need to wait for the installation to finish. Depending on your internet speed and system performance, this can take a few minutes, so be patient and let it complete fully before moving on. Next, you'll need the XAPK file you want to install. Open your browser, Chrome is recommended for best compatibility, and download the .xapk file from a trusted source. This is important. Only download XAPK files from safe websites to avoid malware. Let the download run to completion and make sure you know where the file is saved, typically in your Downloads folder. If your browser shows a progress bar, wait until it indicates the file has finished downloading before you continue. Now, let's install the XAPK using Bluestacks. Bluestacks can't install XAPK files the same way it installs standard APKs, but there's a simple method built right in. Launch Bluestacks 5. Inside the interface, look for the Install APK option, which you'll find either at the bottom right or as an icon on the sidebar. Click that, then navigate to the folder where your XAPK was saved and select the file. Bluestacks will try to auto-extract and install it for you. You may see a brief progress indicator. Just allow it to run. If everything goes smoothly, the app's icon will appear on the Bluestacks home screen once installation finishes. That's your confirmation that the process worked. From there, you can click the icon to open the app and start using it. Keep in mind that the first launch may take a moment while Bluestacks completes any initial setup for the app. That's all there is to it. You installed Bluestacks from the official source, safely downloaded your XAPK with a reliable browser, and used Bluestacks' built-in installer to handle the extraction and setup. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your app inside Bluestacks 5.